I think we can make this money. I'm inclusive. What is my field? I think I'm in motivation. I'm in teaching. Which teaching? I'm in entrepreneurship. I'm in social media. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. I remain Christine, your lady, the lady that said I hate poverty. Poverty is a bastard, you guys. I'm telling you, if you don't hate poverty right now, don't be in a comfort zone. Previously, guys, we were looking at a method or a website that you can earn $5 per minute, depending on how you're going to be available while chatting lonely people. Hope you watched it. If you didn't watch it, please go back and watch it. If you get interested, you can register and start doing this gig as your side income. So right now on your screen today, we're going to be looking at two websites. These websites are so super beautiful. I love them. We are going to be doing it together and we'll know the results at the end of the day. So these websites are so beautiful. I've loved them because you get paid from chatting with clients, you get paid from chatting with fans, with followers. So if you hear that, it means if you have a social media handle, you're very good to go. If you have a profession, you're very good to go. And also if you have a good following like an influencer, you're good to go with it. So before we dive in, guys, have you followed the Market Show on all social media platforms? If you haven't, please go and follow us. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we are on YouTube. And for our lovely viewers, we hurt you so much. We say thank you. You make us. For the subscribers, we love you so much. And if you know it was today, you're just a visitor, just get a sit, make money with us, and please don't forget to put in the comment section what you think, what is your mind, and where do you think we can improve, or where do you think we can go on. Now, beautiful people, let's dive in and see step by step how to register and start. So on your screen, this is Premium Chat. Get paid to chat with clients, fans, and followers. Indeed, this is a very beautiful website that we're going to dive in, and I'm very sure that you're going to get something. You can earn from 0.6, from 0.2, from 0.1 up to $25, up to $100. This one will depend on your availability and how you do it. These are testimonials. You can see the people who have gotten already the money. So let's see what is exactly premiumchat.com. Premiumchat.com started 1997. This is really long time. You can also really see about the mission. You can see what exactly they do. If you're someone who has a following on social media, if you're someone who is an influencer, if you're someone who has a profession, you're here to go. This one, it makes you turn your instant chats into money. Don't chat without earning something. You go to the website, you'll find this interface as you come in about their potential earnings. How will you earn? You'll earn from, there's even a calculator how you can earn from 1 dirham, from $1, from 1 minute, in 5 days, in 10 days. You can convert and you really know what exactly the target you want to hit. So premiumchat.com is one of the easiest ways that you can sit down and say, man, let me make this money. So when you reach here, this is the crucial part that every part of us going somewhere or starting any website or any project, you will first look in. We are more interested, of course, on how to earn on this earning potentials. Indeed, premiumchat.com is one of the best. Because why is it one of the best? It pays per minute. The minute you chat, the minute you video call, the minute you do, they pay you. And also, one of the most things that most potential people ask is about the questions. The questions are very important because you need to know some of the things before you dive in. You need to know exactly how do they pay, how do I start, where do I go, when exactly am I supposed to be paid, and is there any limitations, what are the challenges. These ones
on the interface you are going to find all these questions for you, and it is more advised that before you do anything, at least go through them, see what is it all about. And the good thing and the good news is that all these questions are here, from what do they do, how do they work, up to the time that when are you paid, and what are the methods of payments. So this is so beautiful, and if you come to a person who is serious, who wants to make money, before you even go somewhere, you first ask you questions. The questions are here. All the kind of questions that you asking within you are here, like what kind of services can you offer and who is eligible. All of them are. Lovelies, now this is where we're going to start from. This is where business begins. You will sign up. When you go to sign up, your interface is going to come like this. This means you either want to sign up with one of your social media handles, or you want to go and you create your account, then you attach to your social handles. So you can see most people who are already earning, they are showing you how they earn in a day. Others earn $3, others earn $25. There are some people who are earning $1. So this is a very good gig. It's really indeed beautiful, and let us be paid with our chats through our platforms and through our work that we do. Make sure you know the category that you fall in. Most of us, we fall in different categories. That is, if you're a profession or if you're a gardener. You can see here, I love the way others are giving advice on how to garden, others are giving advice on their beauty, on physicals, on teachings. There are different things. There are people who are there to talk to you, even like motivation. There are people who are there to talk to you on spiritual things. So this one will entirely depend on your passion, will entirely depend on your hobby, will entirely depend on your expertise. So you choose one of the category that you want to be reflected in, so that when a client is coming, I want to talk to somebody, maybe I have a lot of things on my head, I want to be advised in which area exactly should be advised. So it will be easier for you to be spotted and know, okay, I want someone in entrepreneurship, and which kind of entrepreneurship. Now when we go here, still you can see most of you have the desire, how much do you want to rate your service per minute. Remember, so you click, put the service there, and at the same time put amount of money that is there. You can see here, like on this interface, this African lady from Gambia, she's talking about how she's a gardener and an entrepreneur from home, based in South Africa. She can advise you on how to do anything regarding gardening, and there are also others who really show you. This one is from China, another one is from Ethiopia, another one is from different countries. This is the way you have to make it clear and simple. Of course, you not go there and say you can do everything. No, there are some specific areas that you are interested in, and you can really do well. Put your service there, so that when Christine comes and she feels she's hopeless, I want to talk to somebody and give me hope, I'll know exactly where will I click. All these really are on the interface. I'm trying to show you such that you can know exactly what I'm talking about. You have at least, let's make something different, so that you don't feel like this is it's like any other. No, this is a bit different, and it's more of your social media platform but this one is paid directly. So as I told you before, let's check in and see what we're going to do here. Are we going to go to the buyer? No, I told you are going to go to seller account. If you want to chat and you want advice, you want someone's expertise, you go to the buyer account. But now that for us we want to make money, we are going to go to seller account. We click on seller account, we create, we make sure we either fill this form. The form is so simple. It is your surname, it is your email, it is how you want to be called, and which exactly platforms do you want to attach. Do you want to use Google, Facebook, Twitter? What do you want? Then from there you sign up. When you sign up, You are now ready to go. Come on. When I was doing this, it was so much interesting and so beautiful. Guys, once again, this is premium.chat.com, which is one of the best now so far I've seen. Let's go here and see how are they paid. You're paid. Your chats are paid the way you want it to be. So you determine exactly how much do I want to earn, how much do I want to do. I want to do chatting only, or video calling and voice calling. All these ones are there. And you know guys, I don't know how I explain it, because I'm doing it with you. As I'm doing this, I'm also signing up. Let's do it together and see exactly how much are we going to make per day. When I saw it, I had to dive into it. Most people have used it with texts. Others are giving you testimonies that they have decided to upgrade and go to video calls. Then there are some people who have gone to the extent and say, no, we want to be called, as in voice calls. Please be contented that this one is completely very beautiful, as in terms of your confidential status. You will not be exposed anywhere. Even on their website, they are not going to put your numbers. No, when you open the account, you specify exactly which method do you want to use. Either if it's by chatting, you're going to use their interface. So as you continue, you're going to know exactly how are you going to receive the calls, how are you going to do video calling. All this one is going to be used on their platform. So when we go, you continue like this, you're going to see how do you do it, what are the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are not there, by the way. You can do it from wherever you are at any time. You can also schedule yourself. It is very flexible. You know the time you're going to do it, the time you're not going to do it, the time when you are variable, all is there. How it works, like the way I've been showing, it works so simple. You just sign up. This is, let us recap it. You sign up. After signing up, they show you how to do it. They give you some little training, and you're good to go, you guys. Hope this one is very clear, and you will love it. You will appreciate and thank me later.
Let's see, guys, how is it? Is it okay with you? Let me first tell you. Do you think you can make this money? Do you have any expertise? You see, we can see people, the beauticians, the physicians, the makeups, the people with the motivation skills, the yoga, the teachers, every category of a human being, every category of in any field that we have in the world. I think it's there. What do you think? I think we can make this money. I'm inclusive. What is my field? I think I'm in motivation. I'm in teaching. Which teaching? I'm in entrepreneurship. I'm in social media. Let's do this money, you guys. If you know you really like this video and you know it has helped you to do something, it has added something on you, please go down and hit the subscription button. Please don't forget to like us. Don't forget, guys, sharing is caring. Share this video to as many people as you can, such that someone who is out there, is a teacher, is a motivational speaker, is an entrepreneur, is a yoga teacher, can have a job at the comfort of their homes. Thank you. See you next time.